disconnect the battery, disconnect the negative terminal, use an 8mm wrench, and disconnect that. Just slide it out of the way. I want to release the airbag. I'm going to use a small blunt object, like a pick with the tip cut off. Works pretty good. And just push in here. And there's a little spring that you push on. That releases this side of the airbag. Do the same on the other side. You can pull the airbag up. You disconnect the wires on the back side. Right, there's 2 clips right there. Just squeeze those clips. Slide the connector out. Slide that off. Place the airbag aside and just make sure you put it face up. If you see, this is how the spring works with the pick. If you push the pick in there, you're just trying to move that spring. So you might have to feel around for it. And disconnect this wire right here. This is for the horn. You're just gonna grab this white tab, push down a little bit, and then twist it. And twist it to the left. And slide this out. Disconnect this connector right here. There's a little lock tab right there. Just use a pick or a screwdriver. And slide that connector off. We're gonna loosen this nut up. Use a 21mm socket and a ratchet. If you can, hold it with your knees or have a partner hold it for you while you loosen it. Now before I take the nut off completely, so that I don't hit myself in the head with the steering wheel, just grab the steering wheel, rock it back and forth, and it should loosen up. If it's really, really tight, you can use a puller. There's special pullers for these. And take the nut the rest of the way off. Slide the steering wheel out. Slide these wires through. And you want to make sure this clock spring doesn't twist, which it seems like it has a lock on it, so it shouldn't move. Before we take this adjuster off, just adjust the column all the way up. Just be careful, don't have your hand in front of it. And then use a trim tool and try to pry this lever out. Sometimes these can be very difficult to pry out. It just slides out. And then under the back side of the cover, just grab the cover and just slide it out. Pull this down. It'll clip in to the back. Like that. If you have to, you can adjust this back down. Just be careful, don't get your fingers caught. And slide the top off. Just like that. There's a connector right here we need to disconnect. You can use a pick to try to release the lock right there. Disconnect that. If you struggle getting that off, you could always take this lower trim piece off. There's just a couple screws that come off. Disconnect these connectors, just use a pick, get underneath this tab right here. Try not to break it if you have to reuse something. And slide that off. Same with this connector. One more connector. It's kind of hard to see. There was a tab on the back side. Take that off. Use a T25. Take the screw out of here and the one on top. So get that out and just slide this right up and out. Take a little bit of grease, put a little grease on there on the new one. That looks good. And take this and slide it in position. And you want to make sure that that gets pushed in first. There's a wheel on the back side. So push that in first behind the wheel. Otherwise you're just going to break it. You could always take a pick and just push it back. And that slides in position. Take the bolts. Take the bolts. Get the bolts back in. And snug that bolt down. Same with this one. Take these connectors, line them up where you disconnected them, and lock them in place. And take this connector and slide that into position right there. Line that up right there and lock it in place. That's good. Take this cover around this shifter boot. That's good. I'm just going to reposition this. Be careful of your fingers. And this is going to clip in on the back side first. It's going to clip into the top cover. So get that lined up with the top cover. And then line up the shifter boot with that as well. There we go. Just make sure that clips in place. Looks good. Reinstall the adjuster handle. Lock it in place. Take the steering wheel. Slide the wires through this square opening. And line the steering wheel up. There is a little tab on the shaft of the steering column and a little arrow. You want to line that up. And it should be slotted. You shouldn't be able to put it on any other way. It should only go on one way. Take the, put the nut back on. Tighten this up. Now I'm going to torque this nut to 29 foot-pounds. Reconnect this connector. Just line it up. Lock it in place. And then the horn connector, slide that in position and just push it down. It should lock in place. Take the airbag, line the connectors up. Just like that. Just make sure the wires don't get caught on anything. Slide that in position, lock it down. Now let's reconnect the battery. And snug down the terminal. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. You're good to go.